Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. We're here for another one of our Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar episodes, and today we are up to the 23rd of December, so it's getting pretty exciting now. And my offering for today in my Etsy shop is a tag bag. So what you've got here is a bag in the shape of a tag. I've used some of my collage pages and then just, you know, collaged up some pieces here to make a cluster, pop that onto the back, the packet, some doily and things and a bit of lace. So this in itself could just be deconstructed and used, of course. And then inside you've got 10 tags of different kind of shapes and sizes. So I'm not going to kind of overly show you the backs because of course they are tags, so on the whole they're going to be just plain. But if I just go through them and show you what is included. So the first one is this gorgeous tag here. Now this was made from some of my collage masterboard, and then you've got some of my snippet roll on the top, or it may have been the cluster actually, I think, on the top. And then you've got some lace trim as the tab, and then a little flower there. So that's the first one, plain on the back. Then the next one here, this is again some collage masterboard page, and you've got stitching around where it's been attached to some card at the back. You've got some lace there as a little tab, a little ticket, and then you've got here a stitched cluster on the front. Then the next one, this here is one of my fabric tags. So you've got obviously fabric on the front, and then I just layered up a whole bunch of things on the, you know, on the front of it. And then some lace trim down here. You've got more lace here and a vintage postage stamp and a bit of lace there at the top as a tab. And then you've just got stitching all around the edge, attaching it to some coffee dyed. I think this is actually a printed version of my coffee dyed paper rather than actual coffee dyed paper. So that's that one. Then this one here, you've got one of those smaller tags that I don't know whether my video has gone up yet, but I did a video of these. It may have gone up, it may not, I'm not too sure. And again, you've got just a printable on there, you've got some vintage book page and then a stamped image. And then the whole thing's just been stitched around where it's been backed onto some other card. And then here you've just got some gorgeous, it's like ribbon, but it's kind of more like canvas as the tab. Then this one, again, this is some collage masterboard, and then you've got one of those boots, which they just look so cool on everything. A little number tab, and then one of my handmade paper tabs there at the top. The whole thing's been attached to some coffee dyed paper, and again, stitched around on the sewing machine. And then this one, again, and this might not be collage masterboard, this might just be some collaging that I did on this tag. And then I popped a cute little bird there from some vintage book page, and then a little stamped image and some lace, and then this gorgeous bright pink lace at the corner as the tab. And that's all been just backed and stitched onto just some buff coloured card. Then this one here, you've got kind of one of those double tags. So again, I've just collaged up some bits and pieces on here, and then Tim Holt's little paper doll, and then here the number 3. And then I just did a tiny little tag to go on the front. That's been stitched down kind of the middle with the sheet music, and then attached a bulb pin onto this black ribbon to kind of attach the two tags together. I love how that one looks. And again, you've just got some sheet music there on the back, and this whole thing's been stitched around on the edge as well. Then here you've got a larger tag. So again, this is some of my handmade book page paper. So we've just, well, got a collage of items. Sorry, I just had to sneeze there. We've got a collage of some items here and some flowers, vintage postage stamp up there, the word exciting. This is an image from a vintage children's book. And then here we've got some ribbon with a wax seal on there. So that's that one. Then this one, again, this is some stamped background, which I've done, and then collaged up a whole bunch of things and some of my little flowers. Another image from a vintage children's book, little number tab there, and then one of my handmade paper tabs at the top. This one I have not inked, which I hadn't noticed that, so I will ink this in a minute before popping it in the post, or perhaps I left that intentionally because the front has got white. I think it would look better inked anyway, so I will ink that up. And then the final one, again, some collage masterboard, and this time you've got stitching around some of the collage in, and then you've got a stitched cluster on the front, stitching around the edge where it's been attached obviously onto some card, and then you've just got a little lace tab at the top, and on the back I've just put a little label down there. So that's your 10 tags that you will get, all contained in that particular tag bag. And yeah, I hope that you like them. I'm just going to leave that tag out so as I remember to distress ink that up in a moment. I hope that you like them, and as I say, they will be going into my Etsy shop at 2 p.m. today, so that's 2 p.m. GMT, which is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you wanted to go across and, you know, have a look at them. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you all stay safe. And tomorrow, 24th of December, so yep, just one sleep after today. So yep, thank you so much, and see you guys soon. Thanks then. Bye.